Hello and welcome to PCR London Valves 2024. I'm Chris Cook and I'm delighted to be joined here with Nicole Karam, world-class operator, educator and facilitator on the fundamentals course in TAVI and mitral. So welcome, Nicole.
Thank you, Chris.
And can you tell us a little bit about what the fundamentals course is?
So this is the course that have been there for a few years now. Mitrals, it's our second year, but TAVI has been there for a bit longer. So the point of this course is to address people who are about to start in TAVI or mitrals, who have started but done very few cases, or maybe done a bit more cases, but the point is that sometimes you are in the middle of the cath lab, you don't have the time or the guts to ask questions that you really would like to have addressed. And the point is to come here with a program that will go all the way from very basic to very complex at the end. So we have an entire afternoon that is dedicated for that. And we will go throughout all these steps of the procedure. You have to choose your sides. So you are either on the TAVI or on the mitral track. And we will take you together, we will work together and discuss together. It has to be very interactive and go all the way from basics to really what happens when things go wrong.
Great concept.
Yeah.
So remind us, the structure of the course is TAVI and mitral.
Yeah, absolutely. So it happens simultaneously. It's on Saturday afternoon, so the day before the conference starts. And we go with 3 90-minute sessions each time. So one is very basic, and again, complexity will grow through the afternoon. The point is also that this event has to be a networking event for people. So we on purpose leave some times between the session, some coffee break, and this is a period where also you can either discuss more questions with us or go ahead, have a coffee and meet friends, future colleagues and people with whom you might interact in the future. So it's a good opportunity also to meet with your peers, and it finishes with a cocktail, but it's also the networking event, and sometimes you create some friendship that you will keep throughout the conference. You have your small group and you will stick together.
So true. So important, actually.
Yeah.
And tell us, how has the course evolved over the years?
Well, it's been a great success. So TAVI has been there for a while. For mitrals, we only tried last year and we went only with 25 people. And this year we had 70. And overall, last year we had 70 people overall, with TAVI and mitral included. This year we had 150. And obviously we had more people who wanted to register and they couldn't. So next year we're going to redimension most likely and make sure that we will get enough place to take everybody who wants to subscribe. And it has been a great moment. I mean, we've done our sessions on Saturday and it was a pleasure to be there. People were interacting. It was very spontaneous. And yeah, it's a nice setting.
Fantastic. Well, thanks very much, Nicole. So you heard it there, the fundamentals course. It will be back bigger and better in 2025.